A CNC milling machine is used to accurately cut 6 holes into an aluminium plate. The plate is secured onto the moving table of the milling machine. The guard doors are shut and the program is started. A cutting tool is selected from a rack and the plate is then moved into position. The cutting tool lowers and cuts the first of the holes. Cooling fluid is sprayed around the cutter to keep the plate and the cutter cool. This also helps in the removing of waste material from around the holes. The table moves, allowing the cutter to cut the next series of holes. The CNC milling machine can also be used to cut slots. Notice the marks left by the cutter at the bottom of the slot.